struggling to find a professional and reliable air purifier supplier? Today, let's take a tour of Baron Electrical Technology Co., Limited. Follow my camera. Come along with me. This is our production workshop. Our OQC position. We conduct a 5% sample inspection on every batch of goods. This is a constant temperature testing machine. Our air purifiers undergo rigorous testing under constant temperature conditions. This is the CADR lab. Rigorous testing ensures the accuracy of every data point.